I really need a manicure. Oh, hi! Hey! What can I do for you? Just a little makeover. Nah. Girl, we're gonna go big. Take a seat. But I don't want anything complicated. Trust me. This will be amazing. This is different. You do know what you're doing, right? Of course. Time for the eyebrows. I like the natural look. Shh. I'm a professional. That tickles. This color really suits you. Wow. Another masterpiece. Have a look. What the? Wow! Oh my gosh! Thanks so much. You're a genius.
Drawing is fun! What's next? Ooh, some paint! This is gonna be so good! Whee! I'm an artist!
Just a little blusher. There. Now for some perfume. It smells so good. I can't forget my lipstick. Oh no! It's empty! I'll use another. What's going on? Wait a minute. I know what happened.
Uh-oh. Just act cool.
Have you been playing with my makeup?
Oh, this is nice. What a pretty color. Oops! Maybe I can fix it. Look at me. I'm a grown-up. So beautiful.
Ugh! She's so annoying! Hey! Penny! Don't mess with my makeup!
It was an accident. Get over it.
I know.
What? What is it?
Give me that brush!
What brush?
Hand it over!
No, it's mine! See ya!
Ugh, don't make me chase you!
Can't catch me! Take that!
Ooh, I don't have time for this.
I'm out of here! Oh, candy! I need to keep my energy up! I can't reach it!
Looking for this? Give me the brush.
You drive a hard bargain, but it's totally worth it! Yummy!
And now I can finish my makeup. I've coated the brush with some paint. I'll put a little on my lips. Then do the same with another shade. I'll do this all over my lips. I'll just add small sections. It's so colorful! This is the last one! But I'm not finished. I'll press my lips together. And now I have some colorful lipstick. It's like a rainbow on my lips. Now for a little eye makeup. I'll just draw a little winged eyeliner. Looks good, huh? Let's make it even cuter. I'll paint love hearts on my cheeks. Now for the other side. I think that's it. Wait! Penny! What are you doing? Whoa! I know. I look fabulous.
You're beautiful! Have some candy!
It was so funny! You should have seen Jake dancing! Oh my gosh! Uh-oh!
Hi, girls!
Let's get out of here. Is she talking to us?
I was just being friendly.
Oh, what's that?
Wow, a costume party! That would be fun!
Oh well. Hang on. Maybe I could go. I better get ready. I have a great idea. Let's get to work. I'll start with my eyes. A little flick for a winged look. And now I need some fake eyelashes. These will give me more definition and longer lashes. They're so easy to apply. Wow! I'll use this brush to lift the eyelash. Then I can put on eyeliner. There, that's enough. Now for the bottom lids. This'll give a natural color. And act as a base layer. Then I'll use some eyeliner. Okay, time for the face paint. I'll use a little paint on my nose. And I'll go around my lips. It looks like I've got a mustache. I'll paint the top lip. Then make some small dots with the brush. I need to paint on some whiskers. This is going well. I better get dressed. I make a really cute cat! Time to go! Let's party! This is so exciting! Uh-oh, my tail's caught! Stupid plant! Woohoo! Whoa! Is that Penny? Wow!
Wanna dance?
Sure! I feel amazing! I don't believe it! I need to go!
What's her problem? This is so much fun!
That's my hair done. Now for my makeup. Let's try some contouring. Wow, this is so easy. I need some blusher. But not too much. I should do this professionally. Whoa. This should save time. Penny? What are you doing? Huh? What do you think? I'm just doing my makeup. It's a little much. This is how you're supposed to do it. Is that not what I did? Maybe I could… Okay. Let's try this again. I'll start by removing my makeup. This is the easy part. I'll need this makeup sponge. I'll pour some foundation onto it, then dab it over my skin. This creates an even layer. Now I'll use this darker contour stick. I'll draw a line across my cheekbones and along my nose. Then I'll use a lighter contour stick. I'll start with my forehead. Then work my way down. This'll create different tones. I think I'm ready to blend. I'll use a clean sponge for this. I'll gently press the sponge against the makeup. This merges the different shades and gives me the look I want to achieve. But there's still more to do. This is looking better already. I don't want to miss any spots. Okay, I think that's the blending finished. Now it's time for the blusher. I'll lightly rub the brush over it. It just adds some highlighting. A little shimmer on my eyelids. I still have more to do. I need to do my lips. This shade complements the other tones. What a difference! How's that? Better, right? Whoa! You look gorgeous! Thanks, Stacy! Matthew is so late. Where is he? I hope he hurries up. I'm so hungry. I suppose I better check my makeup. That's not a good look. Ugh, I need a quick touch-up. Where's my lipstick? I don't have a mirror. Okay, I'll need to use the spoon. Hey. Ugh, whatever. It's not a big deal. Oh, a mirror! Just what I need! Look out! Huh? What was that? Oh, I'm so sorry. Ouch! That hurt! Ooh, what's wrong with your eyebrow? What? Ah! This is a disaster! I can't let Matthew see me like this! If only there was a way I could help. Oh, have a glass of water. What? No! Well, I tried. I think I know what to do. Use this. A spoon? Really? Okay. I'll start by removing my makeup. And now for the spoon. This'll help shape my eyebrow. I'll rest it above my eyebrow and draw a line with the pencil. It's created an outline, and now I'll just fill it in. Now I have full eyebrows. And I can use this brush for my lips. It'll just paint on the lipstick. It makes it so easy. There, that's what I needed. Stacy, you look beautiful. Matthew, you made it. Aw, I love a happy ending. It's so lovely. We all want to look good. With these handy makeup tips, you'll always be feeling fabulous. What's your best makeup tip? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.